Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Math Today. We are continuing where we left off yesterday, so we are still working on measurement and focusing on weight. So today our focus is going to be on things that are lighter. So before we get started, let's go ahead and look at our LEQ for today. I'll read it and then let's read it together. Here we go. How can we describe the weight of two or more objects? Okay, try reading it with me. Here we go. Ready? At the top. How can we describe the weight of two or more objects? And remember, yesterday when we were talking about weight, we learned that when we describe the weight, we're either going to say it is light or heavy. Unless it is the same, then we can say equal. In my picture, I showed you our balance with a flower on it and me. So I wanted to show you another picture of a balance and talk about this a little bit since we're not really able to play with it in our classroom. But the way this works is if two things weigh the same, like you could see there are two blocks in here, a green and a blue, and two blocks in here, a green and a blue. So this balance is equal. It is a straight line. But if I were to add lots and lots of blocks to this one, then it would be so heavy, and our straight line, it'd be so heavy, and one side would start to go down. So anytime you see a side that is down, that means it is heavy. So the side that is up, that is your light side. So let's look at these pictures of some toys and try and decide what's going to be heavy and what's going to be light. So like if I'm comparing two things, let's compare the race car and the watch. Thinking about the size of this race car and the size of the watch, which one do you think is going to be heavier? Yeah, I agree. I think the race car is going to be heavier. So let's say it in a complete sentence. The race car is heavier than the watch. Good. So we could also say, if we didn't want to use the word heavier, we could switch that and say, the watch is, remember what the word is? Lighter than the race car. Good, yeah. Remember, heavy and light. Heavier and lighter. Okay, let's try and find something else. Do you see anything that could be lighter than the goggles? I see these people over here. And if we're just looking at these people, what do you think is going to be lighter, the people or the goggles? Yeah, I think the people. Look how tiny they are. Good. So let's say it as a complete sentence. The people are lighter than the goggles. Good. Okay, my friends, so I want you to find something in the picture that you could say is lighter. Remember, today that's what you're going to be focusing on when you do your work. So finding something that is lighter. It could be the baby dolls, maybe the boat or the robot. I see two robots. This looks like a Paw Patrol boat over here. I could be wrong though, but I see the paw print here. Or there's this big egg or the tree house. So for my next sentence, I would say the egg is lighter than the Paw Patrol boat. I wonder if anybody else said that sentence too. Okay guys, so let me explain what your job is to do today. I told you yesterday that we are going to be using a can of food. So I hope you were able to find one. I've got a can of soup right here that I'm going to use for today. And your job is to find 3 things in your house that are lighter than the can of soup. So just like last week when you were using the spoon for measurement with Señora Castaño, this week we're going to use a can of food for our weight comparison. So I already found some things that were lighter than my soup. Let me show you. I've got an orange. The orange is lighter than the soup. Easy peasy. I've got a baby blanket. Look, it's kind of cute. It has little pictures of doggies that look like Brexy on it. But which one's lighter? Yeah, the blanket. So I could say that. The blanket is lighter than the soup. And then my last one, easy peasy. The pencil is lighter than the soup. Okay, and then my bonus challenge for you today. If you can do it, you will get a bonus point. See if you can find something that is bigger than the can of soup, but still lighter. So something that's bigger but weighs less. So here is what I found. I found a doll. And if we look, the doll is so much bigger than the soup, but when you hold them both, you can feel the doll is lighter than the soup. Okay, boys and girls, so that is your job today. You need to find 3 things in your house that are lighter than a can of food. Remember, it doesn't have to be soup. It could be beans, corn, tomatoes, any sort of can of food that you can find. You can either record your video just like I did, or you could draw a picture and tell me what is lighter, making sure you label it. I can't wait to see your work, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.